Hey guys, welcome back to Cube Arena. Today I'll be showing you part 2 of the beginner's method of solving the white layer. So let's move on to the video now. So if you remember, we stopped at the white cross at the last episode, part 1, and now we'll be learning of how to solve the white layer. So there are a few cases. The first case, before we move into the cases, actually, we'll hold it in a way such that the white is facing the top. Then we'll look at the first case. The first case is when the piece is directly below where it must go. Actually, in this case, it's not directly below. If you can see, this is a white, green, red piece, and it is supposed to go here. So we can simply just move it underneath, like here. And we have to start the steps. For example, now we have to put this up here. So this is on the left ring. So we have to turn this to the right. And that's how I remember it. Then we move the left ring down and the bottom layer back in and up. And that's done with the corner piece. So if you see, that's the corner piece in the correct place already. Similarly, we have another nice piece here, and this is a white, red, blue piece. So where it's supposed to go? It's supposed to go right here. So you put it right below it. Make sure you're facing the white piece below, and then you similarly do that same step. In this case, is moving away from the left ring to the right, moving the left ring down, moving the piece in and back up. So this piece also fitted correctly. Now, if you see, there's another nice piece here, which is this. This is a white, orange, green piece. And that piece is supposed to come up here. But if you do this, it's not on the left ring anymore. It's on the right. So similarly, we have to do the opposite way. We have to move it to the left side from the right ring. Move it down. Move the right ring down. And put the piece in and push it back up. So that's first case of the white layer. So now let's move on to the second case. So I have gotten ready the second case for you guys, and this is when the piece is on top, like here, like right below is supposed to go. So it's supposed to be on top, but the white is facing here. And then we have another case right here as well. So if you realize, this is a white, red, blue piece, and it's supposed to come up here. So what I have to do for this is, if it's on the left ring, you have to do it a left and a D prime and a left prime. It's as simple as that. And then it's kind of obvious after this, because this white, red, blue piece is supposed to go here. So you put it directly below, face the white piece, and simply move it away from the left ring, move the left ring down, move the piece back in and up. So we've gotten this piece correct. So if you realize that, that's the second case, and now let's look at the third case. Okay, now let's move on to the third case. So the third case is when the piece is right below here in the bottom layer, such that we can't see the white on top. If you realize, it's a white, green, orange piece. So we have to make sure that the white is directly underneath where it's supposed to go, which is this line here. So there's a white, orange, green, and there's a white, orange, green piece. So you put it directly below, like this. So it should go up here. For this, you might want to flip this if you're not that efficient as a cuber, so that it's easier for you to handle it. So for this, you just have to do a left prime, because it's in the left ring, left prime, see the piece is there, and then do a U and a left L. So if you realize, now this piece is in the bottom lane, so it's easier for you to put it up there. So now similarly, it's a white, orange, green piece. Put it right below the white, orange, green point, and then you can similarly just do a move it away from the left ring, move the left ring down, in and up. So we got that piece as well. So that's the last case, and similarly, I'll just show you one more since I have a case ready right here. And this case is similar to the previous one just now, because this is directly underneath already. So you have to flip the cube over, do a left prime, U, left. And then you put the piece directly underneath that point and do a move it away from the left ring, move the left ring down, move the piece back in and put the left ring back up. So it's as simple as that. So, and that's it for that. Before finishing, so the end product will kind of look like this. So we're doing the same thing again. In this case, we have to move it away, move it back down, and then similarly move it away and back up. So in this, now we have finished the top layer, and that's it for part 2, because we are trying to solve the white top first, and then in the next part we'll have to solve these pieces, the edge pieces in this middle layer. So that we call the middle layer, and this is called the white layer. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video of part 3, middle layer. So this is the end of my video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.